Hey dolls, so it's your girl Aya coming at you guys today with a review on Freetress Brisa, and I have Brisa in the color C and Brownie. Brisa comes in many different color variations. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees. She is going to be from their Italian lace line. The lace is really nice. You don't have a lot to cut off, just underneath the bang, and that's it. The lace does not go from ear to ear. So I'm going to go ahead and show you her cap construction here. Just give me a minute. So y'all see that color. The color is a gorgeous, like chocolate on chocolate. So yeah, I'm loving this color variation. I don't do too many colors like this because it tends to wash me out. But yeah, I love the fact that this wig has a lace closure versus, that typical circle closure for bang, for the bang wigs. This wig has 3 combs, 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and the multiple ear taps on the side. There's your lace area. I did apply some powder in that area. This wig has a very good texture on it, but it is not big head friendly. This has a very small average cap to it, so it doesn't give too much stretch. The hair is very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. It's very comfortable to wear. As far as tangling and shedding, minimum tangling, shedding not much. As you guys can see, I have her on here, and she looks like she's maybe about a good 22 inches long. She's gorgeous. I love the closure. Like I said, you do have some parting options to her. You can part on the side, left, right, middle, or whatever you decide to do. So yeah, let me know what you think about Miss Brisa on me. I'm gonna go ahead and continue styling her so you guys can see that she does have styling versatility, and I will come at you dolls later. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share.
Tell me if you want me to. Tell me if you want me to. Tell me if you want me to. swear that I'll be true. You're perfect fine, so tell me if you want me to. Ooh.